one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Not every new beginning arrives with a complete map. Sometimes the Lord stirs your heart before He explains the road ahead. There's a kind of transition that feels both exciting and vulnerable because you know that you cannot stay where you were, but you do not yet see the whole shape of what is ahead. And in that in-between place, the heart can feel restless, even when God is the one who is leading. And the Lord says, do not be afraid. Do not be afraid of what is unfolding. I'm not calling you into confusion, but I'm calling you into trust. There is a discovery ahead. There is my grace for the road, for I am the one who is leading and guiding you. Look to me and rejoice in this day, for I am the one who is guiding and leading you by my Spirit. I am the one who has prepared the way ahead of you. Trust in me that we are in this together. It is a journey of discovery. It is a journey of new beginnings. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.